Hello, everyone. Are you looking for a smooth and hassle-free IPTV viewing experience? Let me introduce you to HOT Player, the ultimate media player for your IPTV content. What is HOT Player? HOT Player is a pure media player. It does not provide any content or playlists. The app simply allows users to upload and stream their own playlists using advanced features for smooth playback. How does HOT Player work? It's very simple. Here are the basic steps. Run the app and note your Mac. After installing the HOT Player app on your device, like a Firestick or Android TV, launch it. The app will show you a unique MAC address for your device. It is very important to note this address as it serves as an identifier for your device. Visit the upload website. Go to your web browser on your computer or phone and visit the following address: www.hotplayer.app/upload. This is the official website where you will link your playlist to the MAC address you noted. Upload the playlist. On the website, you will enter your device's MAC address and an activation key if requested. Then you will upload your playlist file, often in M3U format, or enter its URL link. Important note: HOT Player does not provide playlists. You must obtain an IPTV playlist from a service provider. If you do not have a provider, you will find links in the description to obtain a high-quality playlist. Refresh the app and start watching. After successfully uploading the playlist on the website, return to the HOT Player app on your device. You may need to click the refresh button or restart the app for the content to load. Once updated, all your channels, movies, and series will appear and be ready for smooth viewing. Why choose HOT Player? Smooth playback. HOT Player is designed to provide a buffer-free viewing experience, ensuring you enjoy your content in the best quality. Compatible with multiple devices. HOT Player works on a wide range of devices, including Fire Sticks, Android TV devices, and even computers. Complete control. HOT Player gives you complete control over how you watch your playlist, including advanced display settings and interface customization. Customization options. You can change themes, language, and the video player, and even hide channel, movie, or series categories to personalize your experience. Note on sponsors. Any sponsors mentioned in any video are offers provided by third parties and are not affiliated with HOT Player owners. We wish you enjoyable viewing with HOT Player.